In today's video, we are going to share the best breakfast foods for weight loss, according to a dietitian. Need ideas for a healthy breakfast? Mix up your morning meal and try one, or a few, of these 5 healthy breakfast foods that help you lose weight. Forget donuts or drive-thrus. Starting your day with healthy breakfast foods can help you maintain energy, fend off hunger attacks and lose weight. Research shows that regular breakfast eaters tend to be leaner and people are more successful at losing weight and keeping it off when they eat breakfast. What's more, people who eat breakfast typically get more of some important nutrients, like fiber and vitamins. A healthy breakfast should be balanced and deliver a mix of protein, complex carbohydrates, fiber and healthy fat to keep you full and fueled up for your day. If you're wondering what to eat for breakfast to lose weight, look no further. Watch this video till the end, to find out some of the best healthy foods to eat for breakfast to help you lose weight and why they are so good for you. The 5 best breakfast foods to help you lose weight. Number 1. Raspberries. A cup of raspberries delivers a whopping 8 grams of fiber. That's more than double what's in a cup of strawberries and about the same amount in a cup of some types of beans. What's so great about all that fiber? Recent research in the Journal of Nutrition suggests eating more fiber as a way to prevent weight gain or even encourage weight loss. 2. Oatmeal. Does oatmeal help you lose weight? It certainly can. Oatmeal can help you lose weight in 2 ways. First, it's packed with fiber and it keeps you feeling fuller longer. Second, a recent study reported that eating a breakfast made with slow-release carbohydrates such as oatmeal or bran cereal 3 hours before you exercise may help you burn more fat. How? Eating slow-release carbohydrates doesn't spike blood sugar as high as eating refined carbohydrates. In turn, insulin levels don't spike as high. Because insulin plays a role in signaling your body to store fat, having lower blood sugar levels may help you burn fat. 3. Yogurt. A recent report, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, and out of Harvard revealed which foods are correlated with weight change, including the top 5 foods that promote weight loss. Yogurt was one of them. Another reason to eat yogurt, the protein in it may give you an extra edge if you're looking to get leaner. Protein is naturally filling and takes longer to digest than simple carbohydrates. When people drank a whey protein drink, they lost about 4 pounds more and about an inch more from their waists over 6 months and felt less hungry than people given a carbohydrate shake instead. Whey protein is found naturally in yogurt and other dairy. Save calories and unnecessary sugar by choosing plain yogurt. Add fresh fruit for sweetness. 4. Peanut butter. Nuts were also among the top 5 foods that promote weight loss according to Harvard. That's probably because peanut butter and all nuts and nut butters deliver a good dose of healthy fats, fiber and protein, all satisfying nutrients. Nuts used to get a bad reputation for being high in calories and fat, and while nuts and nut butters are calorie dense, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter has just under 200 calories, 7 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber. They're also nutrient dense and help you build a satisfying breakfast. Try spreading tablespoon or 2 of peanut butter onto whole wheat toast, another slow-release carbohydrate, or adding nuts or nut butter to your oatmeal, another slow-release carb, for a balanced meal. 5. Eggs. 1 large egg has 6 grams of protein and 70 calories. Compared to carbohydrates and fat, protein keeps you satisfied longer. Plus, in one study, people who ate eggs for breakfast felt fuller longer and lost more than twice as much weight as those who got the same amount of calories from a bagel for breakfast. And while just eating egg whites will help you save calories, you'll also lose half the protein. About 3 grams is in the yolk, which helps make eggs a powerhouse choice for breakfast. Plus, the yolk is rich in healthy nutrients, like calcium and eye-protecting antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin. Yolks are a significant source of dietary cholesterol. But dietary cholesterol isn't such a heart health villain anymore, and researchers think that for most people eating 1 whole egg daily is fine. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.